Ever dreamed of escaping the 9-to-5 and working on exciting projects from anywhere in the world? Today, we're diving into Toptal, a platform designed to connect top freelance talent like you with amazing clients. Let's explore how it empowers freelancers to build successful remote careers. First up, the foundation. Toptal's core mission is to provide businesses access to the top 3% of freelance talent. It's a curated marketplace, which means high-quality project opportunities. Step 1 to join Toptal: creating your profile. This is your digital resume, so highlight your best skills, experience, and portfolio pieces. Be detailed and showcase what makes you a top performer. This is important. Next comes the rigorous screening process. Toptal's assessment includes tests designed to evaluate technical skills, problem-solving abilities, and communication. This is the key to separating the best from the rest. Once you're accepted, you gain access to a diverse range of projects spanning different industries and technologies. Explore the opportunities that match your expertise. Toptal emphasizes collaboration. Many projects involve working closely with clients and other talented professionals through video calls, chats, and document sharing. A huge perk of Toptal: it offers competitive rates and a reliable payment system. Focus on the work. They'll take care of the billing process. Toptal is more than just a platform. It's a community. It's an opportunity to build your professional journey, enhance your skills, and be part of a global network of top talent. Ready to take control of your career and embrace the #freelance life? Check out Toptal today. The link is in the description.